What's going on YouTube? I got a bunch of stuff to do today, and it's a little windy, so I'm not sure if you guys will be able to hear too much, and I have both of my kids here, so they might be a little loud also. I'm going to be changing the oil in the Ultima and the Focus. Also going to be putting Raceland Coilovers on the Focus, and a new e-brake cable and door hinges for the Titan. That way this door actually closes right, because when you open it, it drops down and it's a pain in the butt. I'm not going to record the oil changes because if you guys don't know how to do that, I mean, there's plenty of how-tos. That being said, you go in there. You go in there. Now it's on to installing the Raceland Coilovers. You come off. Alright, let me start off by saying I have zero clue what I'm doing, but I'm assuming I need to take some of this stuff apart. So the first thing you gotta do is get these lines out of the way, and then take this one off and this one, and then you can pound this down and the shock will pop out. It's actually down in here. It'll pop out. I got one side on. That's probably going to be it for the day. It's starting to get dark out. But yeah, it's just that bolt right there, which I stripped a little. And then that one. The three on top. And you just got to pound it down. This piece right here, and it comes right out. And that's what it's gonna look like when it's completely done. Of course they're gonna settle a little bit, but the tires I have for it are 205/40s. These are 215/45s, so shouldn't have any rubbing. Lines up a lot better, and it doesn't drop when you open it anymore. Closes a lot smoother too. I got the driver's side done a couple days ago. It's settled quite a bit. I only have them drop down a 1/2 inch. After I get the new tires on, I'll have to look at it and make sure that it's not going to rub. But right now this side doesn't rub. We'll look at the other side, because that's been sitting for almost a week now. And that side is definitely going to rub. So I'll have to raise that one up. And that one's only a 1/2 inch down too, so I gotta see why it's a lot lower. Alright guys, that's where we're gonna end today's video. I didn't get the back done because I stripped the rear sway bar end link bolts and one other one. So I'm waiting for those to come in, and then I'll get that done. I'll post another video of that and, you know, the whole thing when it's all done. If you guys like this video or any of my other ones, like, comment, subscribe. I try to post like one video a week, but I work a lot, so sometimes it's a little less posting than that. Thanks for watching and have a good day.